Welcome back to Grow Wealth Capital Partners, your destination for market insights. Today we're breaking down advanced micro devices, AMD, a semiconductor powerhouse that has seen a massive rally in its share price over the past year. AMD's share price climbed around 75.6% in the last 12 months to close near $215, and we're going to explain why that happened, how it differs from its key rival NVIDIA, and why many investors now view AMD as a core long-term AI play. Let's get into it. Why AMD stock has risen so strongly. 1. AI and data center momentum. AMD has been steadily gaining traction in data center CPUs and AI accelerators, with investors pricing in expected revenue growth as the company ramps up its AI chip shipments and targets massive expansion in AI infrastructure workloads. 2. Big growth targets and investor confidence. At its Analyst Day in late 2025, AMD unveiled an aggressive long-term revenue target, including aiming for roughly $100 billion in annual data center revenue, which lifted sentiment and helped push shares higher. 3. Competitive product roadmap and market share gains. AMD's extreme performance yield computing server CPUs and Instinct AI accelerators have been getting traction with cloud providers and hyperscalers such as Microsoft, Meta, Google, and Amazon, helping chip away at legacy incumbents. 4. Market narrative shift. Investors are increasingly seeing AMD not just as a smaller GPU maker, but as a meaningful competitor in AI and data center hardware, which helped re-rate the stock after years of NVIDIA's dominance. Magnifying glass tilted left, AMD versus NVIDIA. Key differences in chips. Let's talk chips and market positioning. Brain NVIDIA, AI GPU leader. NVIDIA dominates the GPU market, especially for AI training and inference, with an estimated 90% plus market share in key segments. Its GPUs and software stack are widely adopted by cloud providers and developers. Dear AMD, broader compute play. AMD competes with high-performance CPUs and AI accelerators. While NVIDIA still leads in raw AI GPU market share, AMD is carving a niche with competitive CPU performance and cost-effective AI inference solutions. AMD's chips sometimes offer better total cost of ownership value in certain workloads versus NVIDIA. In short, NVIDIA is the dominant AI GPU player, while AMD offers a broader compute ecosystem, strong CPUs plus growing presence in the AI accelerator market. Lightbulb why AMD is a long-term core stock. Here's why many long-term investors are positioning AMD as a core holding. White heavy checkmark AI tailwinds. AI adoption continues to explode in cloud and enterprise environments, and AMD stands to benefit across CPUs and accelerators. White heavy checkmark diversified chip portfolio. Unlike NVIDIA's GPU-centric focus, AMD covers both CPUs and AI chips, which can smooth earnings and expand TAM. White heavy checkmark growth potential. AMD still has market share to capture from bigger rivals, and analysts see strong potential upside if AI demand accelerates further. For long-term investors focused on the AI revolution, AMD is viewed by many as a core position thanks to its balanced product mix and growth runway. Or chart wrap-up. To summarize, AMD stock has surged 75.6% in the past year on rising expectations for AI and data center growth. It differs from NVIDIA in that AMD offers both high-performance CPUs and AI chips, whereas NVIDIA's strength is dominant AI GPU leadership. Many investors view AMD as a long-term core stock position to benefit from the ongoing AI infrastructure boom. Disclaimer: this video is for educational and informational purposes only. Nothing herein constitutes financial, investment, tax, or legal advice, nor a recommendation to buy or sell any security. Always do your own research or consult a qualified financial advisor before making investment decisions. Thanks for watching. If you found this analysis useful, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss our next deep dive. See you next time on Grow Wealth Capital Partners.